My name is Kontana Kas. I am a Chilean visual artist, and I want to tell you about Still Alive,
an art installation created in Chile, which will travel more than 6,000 miles to the beautiful event of Burning Man 2019. One of my great motivations as an artist is the interaction generated between the work and the audience. The viewer interacts with the sounds, lights, and images from the artworks. Burning Man is the best canvas on the planet to achieve that freedom. Still Alive is a dream. It's a wormhole breaking the laws of the space-time continuum. It brings the cosmos closer to those who pass through its magical portals. It's a modular tunnel, 20 feet long, made up with 6 large rings covered with a mirrored surface. The images and all who pass through it are reflected and distorted, creating an infinite universe, like a kaleidoscope on a superhuman scale. During day and night, it will trim the landscape of the playa with its mirrored and geometric shape. One of the greatest challenges was creating a work that could stand up to the extremes of the desert. The result is a piece that is self-supporting, that can withstand the extreme weather conditions, as well as the crowds that will enjoy the piece. We are a young and creative team, with a great desire to share new ideas from the end of the world. This is a big project, but without your help and support, this won't be possible.
For me, it's really important to get to Burning Man. As a woman, an artist, and a Latin American, this will be the only artwork representing our community.
The funds will be used to buy the materials, transportation, and construction for the artwork. The piece has been designed. The architecture and engineering has been done. A scale prototype has been built to assure that the piece will work. We have the support from a great workshop in San Francisco, which will help us to assemble the pieces.
The more funds we can collect, the more incredible and beautiful the experience will be. If you believe in the magic of art, technology, and human connections, join us. And please donate early so we can bring Still Alive alive.